Hi everyone, it's Nalanie and welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing another little video from my series of us using older palettes and products that we have, and we're just going to create something new. So today we are using the BH Cosmetics Itsmyrayeraye palette. I believe this one is considered her second one. This is what it looks like. I actually got mine from TJ Maxx. I think it was about $5 or $6, very affordable. So you do get a couple of different colors. What I like about this palette is you get shimmers and you get mattes, and then you have a couple of transition tones. So I feel like you can pretty much do tons with this. I'm really eyeing this color today, so we're gonna see. But let's start off with a little bit of Brick, which is this shade right here. And we're just gonna work this right into the crease. I didn't use any eyeshadow primer. All I have is just a little bit of concealer that was left over on my brush. I actually didn't even directly add any product. I just really haven't been too much into reaching for a primer if I don't need to, especially when I do very simple, quick looks. I just want to run out the house but still be really put together, and I feel like all of us can relate to that, you know, especially if you're going to work and you just don't really have the time to sit there and just, you know, or sometimes you just forget. I think a lot of times I just tend to forget. I do have a little bit of extra stuff going on here, so I need to soften this. It's got a little out of control, but I think, okay. So if you add a little too much powder, just take a clean fluffy brush, just kind of, you know, work with it and just soften it, and perfect. Okay, so I think I want to add a little bit of this on the lower lash line also. Because we're doing something very simple, I'm just trying to, you know, get it done. So I like sticking with the same colors and just balancing everything out. And again, this is just the same shade we used in the crease. I'm just connecting it. You know what? I also, there's this dark brown right here. There's this dark color right here, and it's called Bark. I'm just gonna add a very small amount, and I'm just going to deepen the crease just on the outer portion. I'm just adding it right there. So do you see the difference that just made? I feel like my eyes just kind of went from being just, okay, I have some shadow on my eyes, to it's kind of just more smoldering, more sexy, more sultry, you know? And what I like about doing stuff like this, it's very effortless. You don't need any real precision. Just kind of pop this where that crease is and just kind of just blend a little bit, and that's it. Like, huge difference. Take a little bit and run this down here, just in the outer corners also. Deposit most of the color on the ends. Once you feel like there's no more shadow, and just kind of blend a little, just so there's no aggressive demarcation. Now, if you feel like you got a little messy, you can always go back in with that first brush and just blend a little bit. So now I'm going to go in with this shade right here. It's called Shining, and I'm going to pop this into my inner tear duct right here. Oh, I did not realize how pigmented that was. That is very pigmented. Okay, so I'm just going to bring it down and just bring it up a little bit. Okay, whatever's left over, just kind of add this right here. I love using my fingers, especially when I'm just adding a little bit of sheen. If you just want to smooth anything out, don't be afraid to use your fingers. Okay, so now the last color we are going to add is, I think we're gonna do that green. I'm just trying to find a brush. Okay, we're just gonna use, okay. Going in with this green. I'm really excited about this green. I don't know what it's gonna look like. I'm going to add the, oh my god, it's so pretty. Okay, I'm just gonna add this in the center and just push. Oh, it's so pretty. I'm gonna keep this below my crease. I'm just gonna keep it like that. I think it looks so nice. Oh, it's so pretty. So nice. Okay, you know what I think I'm also going to do? I'm gonna use that same fluffy brush that I used, and I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. It's kind of more along the lines of a mauve, like a maroon shade. Taking a very small amount, I think that's actually even too much. And I'm just going to run it right on the center. I don't want too much, so I'm just kind of using whatever on this brush and balancing it. And just adding it right in the center, just above. So now I'm going to clean that brush off because I don't want anything else on here. And now we're buffing. Just buffing everything together, just so no harsh lines. And I'm getting this even into my brows. But like I said, there's no extra product, so it's not going to interfere with what you got on your brows. And if you feel like you lost some of that highlight, just go back and add a little more. I think this looks nice. I like this. Okay, so now what are we gonna do? We're gonna add some, let's add a little bit of brown. We're gonna do a little eyeliner situation with the darkest brown. Just using my eyebrow brush. And I'm just tapping. I'm not gonna do a wing. I'm just gonna do a little bit of depth. Okay, maybe a little baby wing like there. And I'm keeping this on the outer, the outer third, right? Yeah, the outer, that's what we're gonna do. What I'm also gonna do, because I do this all the time, taking a little bit more, I'm just going to add this right here. It's just one of my favorite things to do for my eye shape. I just feel like it makes me look a little extra fancy. Okay. All right, I think we're good. Now I'm just going to do a little bit of mascara. I think I'm gonna hold off on eyeliner. I don't know, I just haven't really been into eyeliner lately. You know, I just realized I also have this LA Girl Glitter Holic Glitter Topper in Holo-glam. I think we're gonna add some of this. I haven't tried this out yet. I just swatched it, but I haven't tried it out yet. So I think this will be perfect. I just wanna add this right in the center. Oh, that is chunky. Okay, you know what, that might be enough for both eyes. So let's see what it does. Just in the center. I'm gonna use my fingers because it is kind of, I added too much. That's giving a really beautiful pop of blue, right? It's more blue. Okay. I don't know if I love it. I definitely don't hate it, but I don't know if I love it. Yeah, it's not bad at all. It just has more of a blue, so yeah, it's the glitter. It doesn't, I don't feel the glitter. So it's a very, very soft glitter. Okay. Yeah, I'm not really sure how I feel about it. I don't hate it, I don't love it, but it just kind of adds a little something. I'm just going to add a little bit of mascara, and then we are going to finish up with the rest of the face. If you guys want to add lashes, go ahead. Okay, so now I'm going to try this Essence Mosaic blush. This is in the Berry Connection. And I'm just going to add this onto my cheeks. This is a very light pink. It's actually really pretty. I wasn't sure if this was gonna really show up on my skin tone, but I think it's really nice. Very soft. It's not taking away from the eyes. It's just kind of, everything just looks like it's tying together pretty well. And I think I'm going to skip on highlighter. It's usually something I don't do, but I haven't been too much into a very bright highlight. I also feel like this blush is giving me some glow. Am I wrong? Because I feel like it's translating on camera. Okay, I'm gonna just also add a little bit on my nose. That's pretty. This blush was also like $3, $3 or $4. Lips. Okay, let me figure out what I'm gonna do with my lips really quickly. Okay, for lips, we're going in with Morphe Sugar Pie and this L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Liquid Lipstick in Nudist. This is my favorite combo for such a long time. It kind of pushes aside, so we're gonna bring it back today. Okay, so this is the completed look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this look, this tutorial, this video. Hopefully you guys are enjoying this series as well. If you have any palettes, older palettes that you just need a little inspiration with and you want me to create something for you guys, please let me know down below and I will absolutely film it for you. But I really hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.